Alright, we're back at the Gnarly Chicken Garage, and we got a bunch of guys here today on a Monday, and we're going to do a little tour around my place and some single track that we'll see how it goes. There's Chicken, and Chris and Danny and Carv and Sean and a couple more yodels out front.
I need a dirt bike nickname, just saying.
We'll make you one up today.
I've been 3 years on the bike and I still don't have a nickname.
Should probably just call you Graham from everything I hear.
No, it's not Graham.
So we got the TE 150. We've got a 250 YZ. We got, what year is that? Yeah.
01.
01 XR 250R. We have Beta 300. 50 Husaberg. And 300 TE Husky.
Yes, sir.
And there's Curve.
Old as can be.
Yeah, this is a dead end.
I'm getting.
Yeah, big rock. Nice. Nice buddy. Here comes big Curve. Curve with no electric start. Muscle through it. Is this on, Danny? Is that on?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Okay, wait a minute.
That was slippery, eh?
Say hi to Gnarly Chicken! Little rest stop down by the river.
One more. Get in.
Oh, one more.
Oh, we're pretty close too.
One more COVID pick.
6 feet. Let's 6 feet.
I got my helmet on. I'm safe.
Up here, hang up.
Yeah. Good footage, buddy. Go ahead.
Oh, way, okay.
Whew.
It is hot out here. Nope, where's the sun? No, dude, baby.
Right in the boiling sunshine.
Yep. All right, so I just want everyone together. What?
What's smelling at?
There's a ledge in there.
I just want everyone together because I just want to roll through here because they're working. So I just want to roll through as a group and not screw around with them.
Yeah.
No one drive off the cliff.
This is a gnarly one.
Right, keep left.
Close to carve.
Huh?
I was too close to carve.
Oh, were you? Yeah.
Up on the left side of that. Is that where you went?
Probably right up the middle.
Okay.
Shit.
Together now.
Yep. Thanks, bud. There's a rock face about halfway up. Yeah. Stay to the right or the left of it.
Right or left?
Yeah, I went right up the middle.
Sounded like you were watching. That's wicked. First time, eh?
No, I made it up on the DRZ. Remember way back and broke my chain?
You were upside down.
It's gone. Someone took our log down. What?
Through the beaver pond or around it?
How deep is it?
It's probably a foot.
No, around it. I mean, I don't want to go through it. If anyone else does, I don't want to get water in the pipe.
Just a foot deep. You fuck yourself.
Go ahead. I'll video you. That sucked. Gonna practice some circle wheelies here. Here's Craig on the 300. Yes, sir! Oh! Nice. Yeah, that was. Yes, sir. Come on, Danny, show us how it's done. Huh?
Don't circle wheelies for this bike.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to break anything else.
Nice curve. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Show up. He's just like a mosquito. You shut my bike off. Atta boy!
And when it, the four corners on your right, comes out right there.
Okay.
It's a good spot to, and it's a good trail. Like this isn't it.
Well, that's a chicken trail.
That's chicken trail.
chicken trail.
That's pretty sweet. That's greasy, eh?
Nice job.